It's 12 o'clock. We just got into Stockholm. It happens to be my birthday, and we're about to go to this island called, I'm going to butcher this name, by the way, Fjaderholmarna. We're going to hit a brewery, and then Ashley has a little surprise for me that I have no idea what it is, so we're going to go check it out. So we just got on the ferry, and look at this. Table just kind of ends, so these people don't have a table. I have a table. Made it to Fjaderholmarna. The ferry's a little difficult to find. You have to take the Stroma, and it's Pier 13 if you want to try to come here. But it's only like $8 a person each way, and it's a super cute island. Still have no idea what we're doing, and Ashley's not going to tell me, so stay tuned. This could be good. This could be not so good.
It's going to be fun.
The reason we're here is because one of my friends that lived in Sweden recommended this place. First stop is the brewery called Fjaderholmarnas Brewery. It's right on the water. Really good beers. I had a really nice hazy IPA and then a very traditional Swedish snack called pulled pork nachos. That were very good. I would highly recommend this place. They started here in 2011 and they brew in a cave, which is really cool. If you're in Stockholm, you want something different to do, you want to get out on the water, it's a 20-minute ferry ride away.
You ready for your surprise?
Yeah.
What do you think it is?
Judging by the glass. What?
Judging by the glass blowing, you think it's glass blowing? Because
Yeah.
it's not.
No.
We're gonna blacksmith our own rings.
Rings?
Rings.
Okay, that's cool. Hello. Good. Over the next hour, we got to know Michael, who owns the shop. He's a very cool person. When him and his wife bought this place, he had zero experience blacksmithing. So over the next 6 months, he gave himself an intense boot camp and learned everything he could. And now he's owned this place for a few years, and he does this jewelry making as a little side business, which was really cool. He showed us all of his secrets. First, we started off by filing the silver down, filing all the sharp edges. Then he showed us techniques on how to add different textures using different hammers. Lastly, we got to heat the silver up enough to where it was flexible, and we got to bend it to size, hammer it into place. We even hallmarked it. I'm so glad we had this experience. We got to learn a lot, and we just had really good conversation. He is very cool. I would highly recommend it. But now we get to put these into a crock pot to get polished. While we're waiting on these rings to polish, we had about 20 minutes to kill, so we decided to explore the island. We found an ice cream shop that actually does a 12-scoop ice cream challenge. Thought about it long and hard, but decided to pass. So we found our way into this local chocolate shop called Chocolade. They've won a few awards. They had some really unique flavors. They had chocolate bars, chocolate truffles, even some stuff for the adults. So we got their signature chocolate and decided to give it a try. So let's try 70% dark chocolate with herbal liqueur, which is aquavit. That smells very licoricey. That works. Oh, it's good. It's not as it definitely smells more licoricey than
it tastes.
I thought. That was good stuff. How much was this though? $6? $6? I don't know. Check it out. It's really good. I liked it. I was a little worried I couldn't eat that whole thing if it was like super strong aquavit, but tasty. It's been about 20 minutes, so we'll go back and get our rings.
It's done, I guess. Close your eyes.
Alright, and yours?
You have to hold your hand out.
It looks awesome.
Oh, it's really good.
You guys did good work.
Yay!
I actually really like how that came out. I wouldn't necessarily plan on too much time here. You can walk around the whole island in about 10 minutes. There's 3 restaurants, a brewery, some cool art studios. It's definitely worth making the journey. I would say 2 hours is about all you need, unless you're doing something unique that takes a little bit more time like we did. But I would say 2 hours is plenty.